Okay, messed up. It is the 25th of April, 2024. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
It's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I did a lot on the build for the car and a little more research on the issue of logging in remotely, getting the server to accept SSH, which I think is just an auto login or a headless setup. And that's everything I can think of. Coming week, I still want to finish the build. I have lots of crosstalk, so I want to talk to you. And blocks are got another project that's taken some time. I spent some time on my taxes this week, today actually, because yeah. And yeah, that's it for blocks. And back to you.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. I got almost nothing done last week. Oh, okay. Apparently, the laptop doesn't like sitting like that. Okay, let's try this. Anyway, as one of my blocks, my part-time job became almost full-time this week. I was on for 25 hours, so I didn't get very much done, which is good in a way and bad in a way. Next week, I am hoping to do all the stuff that I said I was going to do this week. And another block is I'm a little bit under the weather. I've got a cough and stuff. So anyway, a little bit more work happening next week, and this weekend we're going to be up at the lake. My wife has plans for me, so I don't think I'm going to get a whole lot done. So I said I was going to get 4 or 5 points done for last week. I'm going to drop it to a couple this week. And yeah, that's about it. Back to you. You are muted.
Okay, I'm going to give myself 9 and the team a 10, and the process improvement. I don't have one this week because I anticipate I'm just going to be finishing things, and I think I will add for the coming week that I want to look at putting something on the front page of the web, like the car, getting a nice video of the car on the front page of the WIKISPEED website.
Okay.
I'll collaborate with you. I don't know if I have authority or access. We'll talk crosstalk.
Okay.
Back to you.
I made 0 points out of 10, but I did come to stand up, and I think I posted the video for last week, so I guess that gives me about 3 out of 10. 10 for the team. You're doing good work, and you're keeping on. Process improvement, I don't have one, and yeah. Do you want any of crosstalk recorded?
Nope.
Okay. I am on a different laptop, so this won't get posted until I actually left my laptop at TechWorks on Tuesday night. I didn't even notice yesterday, so you know that I'm not exactly feeling normal when I don't even notice that I didn't bring a piece of equipment with me. Anyway, so we're gonna be heading over there right away. See if hopefully it's still there. But it's a whole lot easier for me to post from that machine. I've got all the logins and stuff on it. So, and I don't remember whether you wanted me to stop recording or whether we're going to do part of crosstalk recorded.
Stop recording.
Okay, stop.